driving down Route 711, and it's just after 5 o'clock, so the sun's going down. Heading towards the cottage on a snowy January 30th. Always want to see the cottage when it snows, when it's like a whole bunch of snow like this. And, this would be my only chance to do it when it was actually snowing. And it took me about 2 hours, over 2 hours pretty much to get here from Fredericksburg. Route 3 wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. This is definitely the worst of the roads. But still. Close to a foot of snow, supposedly. Expected around here. Excuse me, I'm getting over a bit of a cold. Alright. Here's the turn. There we go. Let's try to stick the middle of this road. There we go. I don't know if anyone's at the cottage or not. I called ahead, no one answered, and I got the answer machine, so who knows. Now I gotta try and stay in the middle here as best I can. Oh, with all these, well, we'll see just who is home with all these car trucks. Sorry if this image isn't too straight. I'm putting this up on the curved top of my dashboard while I'm concentrating on the road, really. Then I'm just pretty much holding the camera. Gee, it doesn't look like this is a high priority plow area for VDOT. I don't know why. I mean, it's still state maintenance. Alright, here we go. No one at the cottage. At least no one's gone down the driveway. Here we go. How about that?